So get the water boiling. Get your favorite noodles. I don't like angel hair noodles. I like regular noodles. I like to use some ground beef, brown that. Put your sauce in. Garlic bread's always pretty good with your meal. But I mean, that adds quite a bit of calories too. I mean, keep it just with your spaghetti. I think it's really good to eat after I work out. It gives me energy, make me carbo load. Yeah, it's really nice. I lift a lot of weights and I do cardio afterwards, so you're pretty fatigued and you just need some energy and you need to gain that muscle back. If I'm tired of spaghetti, so I'll hit up some like chicken breast. I mean, chocolate milk is a really good just little snack. Ask me that again. I'll say that.